It's a continuation to this one. It is not the Umkhonto weSizwe that has been resuscitated through umyalelo kaMveli Nqangi himself, through his message himself, not in 2024, not in 2023, way before then. So ungakhuluma ke wena mntu othi uzigqatsela uba nguceba kumkhonto wesizwe ku-regions bani that has not come from us. At least that has not come from me as one of the messengers, if not the only one of this coming out of the Babylonian system, being led by the one and only chosen Nehemiah, that has been named as Jacob Zuma. That is not the liberation of the indigenous natives of this land of Azania that we are talking about. Because that liberation that Jacob Zuma has chosen to drive ngokomyalelo, ngokwe-message via this vehicle engumkhonto wesizwe does not have local government elections in it or as part of it in any form whatsoever. For the reason that the local government elections is part and parcel of the continuing division and confusion and dispossession of the people of God, the nation of Israel, whose seed you and I are. uNkulunkulu ke osithumileyo osidalile esimkhonzayo akasona isidididi akalona ixoki akathethi into angayazi akangomalali phenduka and he cannot be mocked. Akutshilo ngomlomo wakhe ukutshilo. It cannot be changed by anyone or any spirit or anybody or anything until that which the Almighty Abba Yahuwah has spoken achieves that which it has been spoken. Njengoba wayetshilo ekuqalekeni kokudalwa kwezinto zonke wakhuluma ngezwi wathi let there be light when there was none and there was light. Nothing and no one can change what God has planned. Sithandazele ke lenkululeko esisayifunayo namhlanje. Sithandazele le restoration of us as a nation. And ukuthandaza akusiyona into encane, akusuka ukumepila epulpitini and do all the sorts of things that fake pastors do. It takes sacrifice to pray. It takes more than sacrifice itself to pray for a nation. We take it very, very serious, a responsibility, when now you are not just praying for a nation, you are not just praying for whatever it is, but you are sent by the Creator himself ukuthi pray for this. That we take very serious, and particularly we take it personal when and if somebody comes up or crops up at a later stage, makasebona ngathi izinto ziyalunga, ngathi opportunity iyavuleka, and decide ukuthi akangene ngenhloso yakhe ekungeyona le. We take it very personal because siyazi ukuthi siyigulele kanjani lento ukuze kufikelele lapho kukhona, and because we are jealous. We are jealous. We cannot allow people that come up nge-recess bafike sebeclaima i-credibility, bafike sebesaba izikhundla, sebethatha sebenikeza imiyalelo, sebenikeza ama-instructions, bethatha ukuthi bona singama-leaders. Hello. Yes, you may be leaders in your own houses and whatever camps and whatever organizations or whatever potsoye nibuya kuzo. Not here kumkhondo wesizwe, because umkhondo wesizwe is a sacred thing. It's not our vision, it's the vision of the Almighty God, the Creator. Ayvezile for his people to be liberated, for his people to get out of this Babylonian system. It's not a joke. Don't take it as a joke. Because nikwazi ukuma eziplatformini nikhuluma utyatyiwe, nikhuluma isingesi, akukho nto ityiwayo ngesingesi. We can speak lots of languages that make sense. But when it comes to a vision yokukhuleka kwabantu bakaNkulunkulu, we take it very personal. We take it very personal. You can't stand in a platform and ukhuluma indaba ukuthi if you feel ukuthi la kumkhonto wesizwe wena unabantu abaninzi you are not going to be disciplined, umnyango uvulekile. Siqapheleni into enizikhulumayo ngemilomo yenu. It means you don't understand this animal engumkhonto wesizwe. You have not given yourself a chance ukuthi understand. Umkhonto wesizwe isisibaya sokuqokelela izimvu zikabawo. The Creator himself ochuze ngomlomo wakhe in my eyes ukuthi kulesi sigaba to take you, my people, out of this system. I have chosen, I have anointed a Nehemiah for you as this generation. Nehemiah, that is Jacob Zuma. So don't make a mistake, Duduzane. Don't make a mistake of saying umnyango uvulekile, ongathandi whatever it is, into angayithandi makaphume. No, that is a statement that is satanic. That is a statement that simply shows that you don't understand what this umkhonto wesizwe is about. You are taking this umkhonto wesizwe as a political organization. It is not. A political organization is that organization that you formed, which I don't even know kwakuyintoni igama lawo, which was also divisive, contrary to what Umkhonto weSizwe is doing. When your father, our Nehemiah that has been chosen for us, when your father was busy implementing i-mandate ayinikeziwe nguMveli Nqangi via these very same people ongababoni, ukuthi aqokelele abantu bakhe isizwe esiyingcambu kaSirayeli abakhuphe eBhabheli. When you were busy dividing the very same nation, the creation of God, forming your own party, political party. Well, you may justify that in whatever political language, ukuthi bowudidisa bowenzani, but okusalayo bowuchitha lento ayithunyiwe uyihlo ngemilomo yethu singabaprofeti, ayithunywe nguMveli Nqangi, your creator as well. So now we take it very personal as the sons of God when you stand up in a platform and tend to divide the very same, okanye uchithe the very same msebenzi owenziwe ngaba bantu bakabawo, their creator, yokuthi aqokelele abantu bakhe esibayeni, because ubaqokelela into yoba ababuyisele back to Jerusalem, kokwakhiwa indonga zeYerusalem ezachithwa mhlazane sasiphanza, sisiya elibhacweni, sisiya ekutshutshisweni, sisiya ekuthinjweni, zachithwa. You have not appreciated that. You have not understood that. You have taken ukuthi izinto uyazazi uziqhelile, mhlawumbe you were not ready. But that is something else that relates to a political party, which is not this animal. Esisibaya sokuqokelela abantu bakaNkulunkulu with the purpose and mandate to take this nation, the creation of God, out of the Babylonian system. Ebesikuyona since 1652 or even before 1652. The minute kufika izifika namthwalo lapha, simisa inqanawa zazo elwandle zingathi ziyatrader izimbiwa zethu for spices, zingathi zizocela indawo because ziyagula osonqanawa bazo and their crew and whatever. Now, when our God, our creator, decides ukuthi isikhathi sokuthi sibe seBabylon siphelile ebesisikile, therefore I am choosing this Nehemiah. He has chosen Jacob Zuma, not you. And therefore you have no right yokusidelela siyisizwe uzothi if anybody does not agree with the political decisions. We are not here emkhondweni wesizwe to be politicians, to join politics. We are here emkhondweni wesizwe because we have been sent by our creator, not by you. Ukuthi sibe zezi axes in his battle when he is liberating and taking his people out of the Babylonian system. And it is not for you, Duduzane, regardless ukuthi you are from the loins of our Nehemiah, our president, our leader in this liberation, Jacob Zuma. It is not for you to decide who stays, who moves out, who gets out, who does what. Because it is not you that has been chosen to be the Nehemiah. It is your father, biologically. And your father is accountable and answerable to our father, umnikazi wale vision. So please, don't challenge the vision of the Almighty Creator in the name of you being a child that comes out of the loins of the chosen Nehemiah. Don't misuse and abuse your DNA and your name. We have every respect for Jacob Zuma, especially that he has been chosen by our Creator. We have every respect for him, and all our support is with him and the vehicle engumkhondo wesizwe that he has chosen ukuthi kube yiyona realize the vision and the message nokuthunywa akuthunyiwe wakugcobiselwa wakukhonjelwa ngumveli nqangi. So don't stand in the middle of that, because we are standing now in the middle of the people of God, us, the seed of Abraham, our forefather, your forefather. You are standing in the way. Once you begin to talk about firing people and talking about the exit door that is available that people can see, no, that's not how we do things. Ungumntwana duduzana. That is not how we do things. The mere fact that tukhulume kanjalo, it means now you are not acknowledging the fact that singabantu badala kulomkhondo wesizwe siyisizwe nje in terms of age. Now sibadala le kuwe, mhlawumbi singogogo kuwe, mhlawumbi singokhokho kuwe, siyakuzala. Now you cannot be talking about discipline and at the same time ube ungekho disciplined wena qala ungahloniphi into yokuba lo mkhondo wesizwe usilomanga unabantu abangakanani abanamawonga athini na. Usidelela ngokwe-age, usidelela ngokwesini, usidelela ngokwezigaba ngezigaba esikuzo, because singabefundisi silapha bemvaba abagcotyisiweyo. Awukwazi ukuthetha nathi siyisizwe ungasiboni noba siziciko zeyiphimbiza. Xa silapha singamakhosi wendabuko agcotyisiwe, sizikumkani zezizwe. So uyasidelela sizezikumkani zezizwe okanye inkosi ngesizulu zezizwe esizikhokelayo, esizigcotyisela uba sizikhokele. Silapha nje kule vehicle yomkhondo wesizwe ukukhulula isizwe sonke esiyingcambu kaSirayeli. It means you are not sensitive to that. Ukhuluma ngokungathi ukhuluma lapha kwi-branch meeting, yet you are in a public platform. You are addressing what is called umkhondo wesizwe, forgetting ukuthi who are these people that are part of esi sizwe, lo mkhondo kaZuma uphathiswe wona, ungumkhondo waso. Sizwe is a nation, and that is a collective of nations which are together are the nation and the creation of the Almighty Abba Yahuwah. If you don't have respect for God, the Almighty Creator, you will not appreciate his creation, engumuntu esisizwe, and his inheritance esisizwe. Now you are bordering on thin ice on very sensitive issues, and those issues, once you undermine the creation of God, the nation of God, the Almighty Abba Yahuwah, not these other gods, the one and only Almighty Creator, Yahuwah. Once you do not appreciate ukuthi he is the creator of everything, including myself and yourself, and all nations have been created by him for himself. If you don't know God, the one and only creator, Yahweh, and you don't appreciate his creation, you don't love his creation, because that is part of love, then you have no business in leading God's people. You have no business in leading this vehicle engumkhondo wesizwe. Mhlawumbe umkhondo wesizwe party you can lead. But if we're talking about umkhondo wesizwe liberation movement, there is only one Nehemiah that has been put in front of us as isizwe, as amakhosi wesizwe. And that is Jacob Zuma. And therefore, if you undermine the work that we have done, the sacrifices and the message and the plan of the Almighty Yahuwah, you are undermining us. We take it very personal. We will ignore you. We will pray against you. Now, don't make us to do that. Don't test us. Don't test us, because anything that is meant to divide, to sabotage God's plan and his vision, we take it personal. We take it personal. Ngeshwa lakho ushilo ukuthi you don't read. It's not reading, it's listening when you're talking about a voice note. Ngomlomo wakho uthe you don't read voice notes once it is more than 1 minute, because it means umuntu oshicilele voice note more than 1 minute, we've got too much work to do. Sinezinto ezininzi esizenzayo in that twang tone of yours. Udelelile mfana wami, udelelile, yehla, get off the high horse. Liza kuwisa ihashe, liza kuwisa ihashe, yehla kwelo hashe ogibele kulona, liza kuwisa. And just for the record, you are not our leader. You may just be a prefect for Jacob Zuma to do the administration part of things, but you are not part of the plan. You are not our leader. You will never be our leader as the nation, the creation of the Almighty Abba Yahuwah. He is not a liar. He is no son of man that he can lie. Banga basathetha ngomkhondo wesizwe wokukhulula isizwe, the seed of Abraham. Basithetha ngawo, not the political part. We're talking the liberation of the people of God, which must not be delayed anymore. Sizwe maqhawe sizwe. Ayisebenzi ballot paper. Ayisebenzi ballot. The peaceful means, in inverted commas, I put peaceful in inverted commas, it's not working. It has not been working. It has never worked in 1991, 1992, 1993, up until 1994. We've given it far more time than it deserves. More than 30 years, 32 years, we still do not have the land. It is time for a revolution. I-revolution ke ayithethwa kwii-boardrooms nge-twang. I-revolution. You do not negotiate for what rightfully belongs to you. You take it. And therefore, I tell you, I command you, I give you permission, Mabutho, take it. The ballot paper has not worked. It will not work now in 2026. To say that November 2026 and then 2029 kukuxelela isizwe amampunge kuqetha isizwe abantu bakaNkulunkulu ngemfi iphindiwe. Anybody that says no, we must give the ballot paper a chance, there is no truth in that person. There is no truth anymore in that person. Ayatshona malanga abantu bakabawe, in the meantime bayabulawa, bayahlupheka kuloko abantu abazibiza bangosopolitiki besithi the ballot paper. Which ballot paper? They know ukuthi baxoka nje basibetha ngemfi iphindiwe, icontrolwa by the very same enemy. When you are in a revolution, you do not function, you redefine the rules. That is what we said from the inception. We are redefining the rules because we are in a revolution. We are not going to be. And that is what we must be doing instead of wasting people's time and waiting for the enemy ukuthi ayibulale wonke lamaqhawe esizwe asesele ayifiw, ayibulale bonke labantu abakhuluma ngokuthatha umhlaba, ngokuthatha ukukhulula isizwe. We are being managed by politicians ngokusebenzisa the political rules and rules of a political game when we are dealing with impilo zabantu, impilo zesizwe sikabawo. When this land was taken, when our power was taken, it was not through a ballot paper. We've given the ballot paper enough chance. We've given the politics enough chance. We've given the peaceful, in inverted commas, negotiations enough chance. Okusalayo, those that are suffering are us. Isizwe simnyama, indlu kaSirayeli, the real children of Israel. Thina bomgquba banikazi mhlaba in this land of Azania. Take the power. In the very same way, Iso Geso, in the very same way our land was taken, it is time now to take it back. In the very same way, our power was taken from us as amakhosi endabuko agcotyiswe nguNkulunkulu. It is time to take it back. And don't expect that you are going to have cooperation in the so-called political leaders, because political leaders are agents of the enemy. They have something to gain, whether it is power, whether it is access to what power brings, access to money and the business deals. It serves them right, the current or the status quo. Well, we are not now about enriching individuals. Isikhathi sabo Patrice Motsepe and the Guptas and whatever, the Solkesnas sidlulile. This is time to think about what is good for the nation. Time to play politics about the lives of the nation, the lives of the people, of the creation of God. It is over. Let us take what rightfully belongs to us. The ballot paper is not working. The elections are not working. IEC is a product of the enemy. It is an enemy agent tool to keep on robbing us of our land, to keep on robbing us of our power. Let us take it. Ayihlomi ihlasele mabutho wesizwe. Sengijilo. Nkosazana yabaThembu.
Yo. Hey nkosazane yabaThembu yo. Ngivelelwe yisipho kuma-family ayi-2 awami. Ngiyafihla kusasa, ngiyafihla Saturday. Ngisendleleni nje. Kodwa no. Angazi the way le order uyibeke ngakhona yo. That was a clear order. And I wish ukuthi uDuduzane angayithathi personal, because if angayithatha personal izomlimaza somewhere, because some of the issues oziraisile la is the genuine issues, very genuine issues. Yeah, bengisasho ukuthi that was a clear order, and I wish ukuthi uDuduzane angayithathi personal le nkulumo le ekhuzayo, because uma engenza kanjalo uzobe wenze imistake enkulu, ngoba okubalekile ukumamela okusenkulumeni ukuthi inkulumo ithini. I agree with you uma ukhuluma nge-issue yobudlapha, the way ayibeke ngakhona into yama-VNs. Yes, ama-VNs aya-discourage, because sometimes unokuthi uma uzwa ama-VN uzwe nje ukuthi yabona lo uyakhuluma because of ufuna ukukhuluma, but kukhona ama-VN athi uma ekhuluma uzwe ukuthi ya uyaxwayisa, futhi noba sekwenzeka leso sixwayiso sosibona manje sesenzeka after sometimes usho uthi bekuyilesa sexwayiso lesiya. So into engifuna ukuyisho ukuthi ngizamile-ke nami ukuthi eGauteng ngenze ithabo thibathabani ngaleso statement, because besingahlali kahle kuma-comrades. Even kwamina uma ngikhuluma sokumele ukuthi ngizigade, and uma uzigada awukwazi ukuthi uchambuze ithumba leli olibonayo ukuthi ligcwele ubovu. So and uyayazi into yokuthi isimo sokuthi ube laphaya ekhaya sikanjani. So for yena ukuthi a-undermine inkulumo yama-VN okwamaningi e-contributor ekuseveni inhlangano kuyiphutha kakhulu lokho. Yeah, kuyiphutha, I can say ukuthi kuyiphutha. Ngicabanga ukuthi uzozilungisa kulokho. Ngiyavumelana nawe mholi kulento yama-local government elections. Asikho isidingo at all sokuthi inhlangano i-participate kuma-local government elections, because it's a delay in tactics ye-enemy, and they know very well ukuthi ubaba upresident wethu uMsholozi uJacob Zuma, he doesn't allow the situation yokuchitheka kwegazi. So now they have made sure ukuthi babonile ukuthi uyigade ngehlo elibovu lento yokuchitheka kwegazi. Then they make sure ukuthi bayayigada ukuthi ayenzeki, or bayayistopa ukuthi ingenzeki. As the result bathe ama-process ahambe kahle. Kodwa the question ukuthi ahambe kahle for the right reason, or ahambe kahle because of bewesebenzela bona to their advantage. That's the thing. Now ukuze kwazi ukuthi kufikwe kuma-local government elections, then kufezeke inhloso yabo yepolitiki futhi, as usho ukuthi they are saying politics is the game. Iclear lento ukuthi uma ku-insisteka kanje ukuthi kube khona ama-local government elections, they still want ukuthi baproceed ngalama delay tactics nangalesi strategy esikhona soku-frustrate i-mission and the vision yomkhonto wesizwe, because as we are saying ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe is not a political party, and we all understand ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe ungani. So then they are insisting us ukuthi singene kwipolitiki. That's why sometimes ubona sithi masibheka the way izinto zihamba ngakhona bese sithi wena Jehova veza iqiniso lalento ukuthi kumele na ukuthi yenzeke or kumele ingenzeki. So lilonke nje lezi xwayiso lezi ozisubmithile ngivumelana nazo kakhulu, and isifiso sami ukuthi uDuduzane must know ukuthi we are respecting whatever that he is saying just because he is been appointed by ubaba ukuthi abe seduze kwakhe. But if he will start now and do izinto without the blessing kababa, kula sizoba ne-problem naye, and angeke size sisabe ukumtshela ukuthi cha-ke mfana wami uzoba sale emuva nabanye abenze ukurongo. So kumele ukuthi athi makaqala eyithatha yebu deputy president ayithathe nge-mentality le akayishilo naye ukuthi uma ungenzi kahle sizokususa. So sicela ukuthi asiphathele kahle ubaba, amrespecte, enze ama-decision a-faithful, and athi maka-informa ubaba a-informe faithfully. So kanjalo i-support yethu uzoyithola. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngicela ukuthi ngingakhulumi kakhulu kuthiwa uzodlulwa uma ushonelwe, so ngicela ukuthi ngiyibambe khona lapho, kodwa nje isexwayiso sakho sihle kakhulu, ngiyavumelana futhi naso. Ngiyabonga.